The regulator for VKLC-2 for LP gas is a valve with the feature of adjusting pressure from high to low, which is suitable for household gas instruments. VKLC-2 is manufactured by Katsura based on Japanese standards with high performance and high reliability. Katsura launched the product into the market with a commitment to bring the highest safety and the best assurance to all consumers. VKLC-2 is manufactured by Katsura Viet Nam Company Limited, which receives 100% capital investment from Katsura Seiki Japan. VKLC-2 has been patented by Katsura Japan within ASEAN countries. Customers only need to pay $22 to get VKLC-2. VKLC-2 has double lock function, which provides excellent safety compared to other regulators with only one pincer gripper. The rubber gasket inside the inlet of VKLC-2 helps keep the air tight, prevent any gas leakage, and enhance safety. There is a safety lock in the outlet of VKLC-2 regulator with an automatic shutdown feature. When the gas hose gets loose from the regulator or there is any gas leakage, the safety lock will close automatically to prevent gas leakage and ensure the highest safety. To ensure the highest level pressure resistance, VKLC-2 is tightly clamped and secured by 3 additional screws to enhance its pressure resistance ability. The rubber parts of VKLC-2 are made by Japanese companies, which is the same as these in Japanese industry, which is highly durable and safe. Our VKLC-2 supplies stable outlet pressure even if there is little gas remains. The fire will remain stable until all the gas is used up. That helps to save gas. Whereas other regulators in the same case cannot deliver gas because of unstable outlet pressure. It makes the remaining gas go to waste. VKLC-2 is guaranteed within 2 years and is insured by Mitsui Sumitomo, Japanese insurance agent, with the maximum compensation of $100,000 per case. Customers only need to pay $22 for such a reliable and gas-saving product as VKLC-2. Thanks to a stable outlet pressure, VKLC-2 uses up all the gas in the gas cylinder. Therefore, the longer our customers use VKLC-2 regulator, the cheaper it becomes. The installation of VKLC-2 is easy. Step 1. Place the lever of VKLC-2 vertically and place the handle horizontally. Step 2. Have the VKLC-2 put into the LP clip-on cylinder and give a slight press so that the inlet of the regulator holds the clip-on cylinder tight. Step 3. Pull the lever downwards until it stops. Check if the regulator is well installed by holding up VKLC-2. Step 4. Have the handle turned counterclockwise from horizontally into vertically and it is ready to be used. Removing VKLC-2 is also very easy. Step 1. Have the handle turned clockwise from vertically to horizontally. Step 2. Move the lever vertically until it stops. Step 3. Remove the VKLC-2 regulator from the LP gas cylinder. VKLC-2 is a patented product in ASEAN countries. VKLC-2 has gas-saving feature, high performance, and high reliability, which deliver the safety and assurance to our customers. VKLC-2 is guaranteed within 2 years and is insured by MSIG, Japanese insurance agent. By paying only $22, you can own yourself a VKLC-2 regulator. Katsura, safety in gas, safety for life.